How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 57 Chevy Bel Air two-door hardtop, done in a slick victory red. It's got the matching red and black interior. Super nice, clean car. All the chrome on this car, the bumpers and everything have all been redone. Gorgeous car. Nice straight down the sides. All the sides stainless on the car is really nice. It's all been repolished. I tell you, the hardtops are hard to get, especially when they're this nice. Rear bumpers all been redone. I really like all the side stainless on the 57. Just looks cool. Very classy car. It's been updated with wheel wood disc brakes up front. Nice set of 17-inch Rev Classics. The gray center. All underneath the hood looks real nice, detailed. See the wheel wood master cylinder. It's got a nice little 350 4-barrel. It's got the ram horn exhaust manifolds and the duals out the back. It's got power steering. It's got an aluminum radiator. They had it anodized black so it looks stock. Jams all look real nice. All the interior's been redone. Headliner's real nice and tight. Very nice. It's all been updated with seat belts. Got 5-passenger seat belts. Got a factory spare and jack. Tell you, I really like the red and black interior in these cars. All the stainless trim around the headliner looks nice. It's got a retrofit AM/FM cassette stereo in it. Fires right up. Good sounding car out the back, nice duals out the back, and they did the LED bulbs in it. It's real nice. I tell you, it's just a real good cruise, and this car drives out great. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. Tell you, just an excellent cruiser. Go to all your shows. And you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.